Hi, I'm Paul from Renovations and Custom Homes. Today I want to talk to you a bit about countertop options, specifically the difference between quartz and granite. We'll start off with granite. So granite is a natural stone product. It's cut from quarries all over the world, and those slabs that are cut out get shipped into your local marketplace. So that makes it a very unique product, and no two slabs are the same, which can be a challenge or it could be a total benefit for you, depends how you see it. If you look at a sample of a granite top and you love the look of that sample, the challenge might be when you go to select your actual slab, it may not look exactly like the sample because those are all cut naturally from a quarry. Those no two pieces will be alike. Granite also is a very porous stone, so you need to make sure that you seal your granite, because if not, it will absorb and can stain depending on what you place on the surface. So I'll show you the back side of the granite here. This is unsealed, so you can see it's very porous and could easily soak up and stain. So you need to make sure you do seal it. If you have granite tops at home, if you're not sealing your tops annually, you might see some staining come up. Quartz on the flip side of that, and I'll talk about quartz now. So quartz is an engineered product, and it's made up from quartz, which is kind of smashed and ground up, and then it's pressed with polymer resin to create your countertop surface. So it's a very, very hard surface. It comes sealed, does not require any maintenance. The only challenge with quartz, you need to be careful with heat. Heat can damage it, so make sure you put down your a little pad on your countertop before you put your pot down. Otherwise, you could see some damage, some staining from that. The pricing between quartz and granite, they're very similar in price. On the lower end, you'll see them around $65 a square foot, and they can run as high as $200 a square foot or beyond if you pick a very exotic product or something that is on the designer side of things. Then another option for you to consider, which what we have here in our staff kitchen at the shop, is a laminate countertop. A laminate is quite a bit less in cost. It's laminated onto a plywood or an MDF surface. They're inexpensive, but they are susceptible to scratching and they can delaminate. But in the right application, it can save you a lot of money. Depends what you want. If you have any questions about these products, please send us a message in the comment section. I'd be happy to get back to you, or give us a call at the office. I'm Paul from Contact Renovations. We'll talk to you next time.